Welcome back to episode 4 of our MedicSoft Plus, a system which has been developed to manage operations within a medical facility. My name is Anton, an IT specialist from Assignment Uganda, and we can be contacted through 0773 66 0977. We also have a website, www.assignmentuganda.com. So when a doctor logs onto this system, he will be the one actually to use the doctor's room. So when he goes to the menu, he will immediately select doctor's room. When he's there, the doctor who is logged in will be able to see the patients who have been added by the receptionist to his queue. So when he reaches at the patient queue, he will see which patients are allocated to him. And he has very many options. He can see the patient's details, first know what's all about this patient. Can see these are the details which a receptionist had entered. Then he also has a right to transfer a patient to a field doctor. And then he has this other obvious option to see the patient. Before I see the patient, there are other options which a doctor can use. He can review the patient appointments. These are the patients whom he had given an appointment to see on specified days. There is the diagnosis report. This report is it is for the report. It is a report showing the patients that he has diagnosed within a specific period. We have the treatment history. It will show him which patients have you worked on in a specific period and what did they take. Here he has an opportunity, he has a right to view the X-ray results which are recorded by the technician in the scan room. And then he is also having the right to view the results from the laboratory. So if the lab had made some recordings, a doctor can see all those results. So let me come back to the patient queue. For example, a receptionist had allocated Ruth to be seen by Dr. Fred. Remember, I'm not being as Fred, so I'm working as a doctor. So if a doctor has that time, he can easily come to see patient. When he clicks on see patient, there are options of either accepting or rejecting. Let's accept for this, then I will confirm. If he confirms the system, it will take him to the window where everything about that patient is reflected. So the doctor can see the diagnosis records of this patient, the lab results of this patient, X-ray images associated with this patient, appointments which he has had with this patient, then the treatment history of this very patient. Under the diagnosis, a doctor is able to make a new diagnosis. He can put the presenting complaint, history of that complaint, past medical history, dental history, examination, diagnosis, recommend. He can put the recommendations whether a patient can go for a scan, whether a patient can go for the laboratory. So it will all depend on that. And then still a doctor has an entry where he can recommend a treatment plan for this very patient. So as you can see, this window, it captures everything about that patient. Whether it is after many years, a doctor is able to see that this patient came on this facility on this date and this is what was worked on in relation to that very patient. So thank you for watching. This was the doctor's room. In summary, for the details, you can still reach us through 0773 66 0977. See you in the next episode. Thank you.